Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share TikTok viral Turkish doner kebab recipe. It's so delicious and easy to make. Kebab marination preparation. Beef and lamb keema 1.5 kilogram. Minced onion 1 large. Yogurt 1 cup. Garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Paprika powder 2 tablespoon. Ground cinnamon 1 tablespoon. Ground cardamom 1 teaspoon. Ground cloves 1 teaspoon. Dry parsley 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix very well. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the amount of kebab mixture. Spread the mixture with parchment paper. Roll up. Place the kebab in the baking tray. Some long peppers and jalapeno. Bake it 20 minutes, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Making white sauce. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Mayonnaise 3 tablespoon. Minced garlic 1/2 teaspoon. Dry parsley 1 tablespoon. Fresh coriander 2 tablespoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Done. Leave aside. After 15 minutes, take out the tray. Release water from kebab. Remove the parchment paper. Break the kebab. Continue bake for 5 minutes. Done. Tortilla. Spread the white sauce. Pickle. Red onion. Doner kebab. Sliced tomato. Roasted jalapeno. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.